Hello friends, my name is Ramsu. Today we shall discuss our topic that what is a flowchart. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in flowcharts, diagrams, and you want to learn about it. So let's start, friend. First of all, I would request you please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. Friend, flowchart is basically a type of graphical representation, or you can say a diagram that represents a workflow or a process. Whenever you want to describe a step-by-step workflow or a process, we generally used a diagrammatic representation of an algorithm which is called as a flowchart. So if you just see the term flow chart, so that means chart means normally a diagram, so diagram which describes the flow of a process, so that is why it is called as a flow chart. If you just see here, this is the symbol of start. Okay, then if you just take an example of a computer program, just take it as an example. Okay, computer program start, and it will take input a, any variable input a, then it will print a, and it will end. So this is the flow of a process that a computer program which is start. Okay, then it will take input a from a user, and whatever you will enter it will print on the screen and it will end. Another simple example of flow chart is that it will start a computer program, it will take input a, whatever you will enter it will plus 1, like, and a is equal to a plus 1. So that means if you enter a 2 for example, so 2 plus 1 3, and then it will print a. That means if you have entered the 2 it will print 3 and it will end. Okay, so here you can notice that it is a symbol of start process. It will the symbol, this is the symbol of input, this is the input of processing, this is the input symbol of printing, and this is the symbol of ending. So it's a very simple process which computer program that it will start, take input a plus 1, whatever you have entered it will plus 1, and then it will print, and then it ends. Let's take an example of another flow chart. Computer program starts, it will take input a. Okay, then if a percent 2 normally divide by 2, if a divided by 2 and the remainder is 0, so there are, this is the conditional, diamond means conditional. So if a divided by 2, whatever you have entered it is, if it is completely divided by 2, then it will a is equal to a plus 1. If the remainder is not 0, then a is equal to a minus 1. Here remember that this is the diamond symbol, that it is the conditional symbol, so that means whatever you have entered it will divide by 2. Okay, if it is the you can say, if simple sense, if it is an even number you will add plus 1, if it is not an even number it will minus 1. Whatever the result it will print a and it will ends. Here remember one thing, that here just the difference between this flow chart with the other previous charts is that here we have used the diamond symbol. Diamond is the conditional symbol. Conditional means that we are applying a condition that yes or no. If the input a is a even number, okay, so for example if we have entered the 2 for example, so whatever what will be printed, it will print the 3, because a divided by 2, like 2 divided by 2 will be a plus 1. A plus 1 means 2 plus 1 is equal to, it will print the 3. If we have entered 3, so what will do, a minus 1, 3 minus 1, so it will print 2 here. Okay, hope you can understand it easily. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you, friends.